What's up YouTube, Fox have Iggy, another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today we're going to be reviewing the long-awaited GSE Wings GSE. So yeah, let's get into it. And if you don't know by now, I like to be completely honest in my videos, and I decided to get the GSE Wings GSE because I've been pretty disappointed with the Gemini one. Let's get this. The food catering truck, as you can see from the first GSE that I got, it's just broken, which is kind of disappointing. Then we have two vehicles that you can put the tug on, and it's just the bottom's just coming off, and it's just pretty difficult to put the yellow piece on any vehicle. I don't know why this doesn't want to focus, but yeah. So all this aside, and let's get into the GSE from GSE Wings. As you can see, it's nicely packaged with a cardboard piece on each side, which is pretty cool. Shout out to Panda Fox once again. Been ordering a lot from them recently. And here we got the GSE. I don't know if this wants to stand straight or not, but we're gonna make this work. There she is. Alright, so as you can see, we got a truck right there at the top, another truck, then we got a staircase vehicle, a tug, which I'm really excited about, another tug, a super special catering truck. It says LSG Sky Chiefs, which is pretty cool because most airports have those. Luggage belt right here, another set of stairs, and we got two sets of vehicles that can move cargo, and we also get two gates, which are pretty cool. So let's get in, let's just get this open. Alrighty, so as you can see, we got everything outside the box. Looks great. And in a couple seconds, I'll give you guys a view of these in action. Alright guys, so this is what the airport looks like with the GSE. We got one of those freight trucks right there. And we got, it's probably one of my favorite parts of this GSE set is the luggage belt. And I also got one of those new tugs right there on the ANA 380. And probably my favorite part of this whole new GSE is the LSG Sky Chiefs catering truck. And then we got, I decided to put some other ones on the road. We got the stairs, another truck, another set of stairs right there. Probably should make that straight. And then we got more cargo stuff right here, and there's the tug. So overall, it's a great set of GSE. It's just that these yellow guys are a bit hard to connect, but I was able to connect these no problem. But yeah, overall, highly recommend getting this GSE. It's cheaper than, or it's actually about the same price as Gemini's, but you get more vehicles, I believe, and also more, and you also get a set of two gates, which is pretty worth it. So yeah. And also a quick shout out to JT Pilot for recommending these to me. I really like these. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. Stay tuned as always for more, and thank you.